UFO Space Tourism City Vision. The UFO Space Tourism City is a bold reimagining of the future of travel, where sleek UFO-inspired architecture meets cutting-edge aerospace technology. Designed as the world's first fully integrated hub for space tourism, the city combines luxury, innovation, and sustainability in a breathtaking destination that feels both futuristic and inviting. At its heart are advanced spaceports, launching suborbital flights that make space accessible to everyday travelers. Visitors can train in zero-gravity simulators, explore immersive space museums, and experience artificial gravity zones that blend science with entertainment. Every corner of the city is crafted to inspire wonder, merging education with adventure. Beyond tourism, the city serves as a beacon of sustainability. Powered entirely by renewable energy and supported by intelligent transportation systems, it showcases how humanity can innovate while preserving the planet. Luxury accommodations, futuristic dining, and seamless connectivity ensure that the visitor experience is as comfortable as it is unforgettable. More than just a destination, the UFO Space Tourism City is a gateway to the stars, a place where dreams of exploration take flight. It represents not only the next chapter of tourism, but also a bold step toward making space travel an everyday reality. Vortex Orbital Transport, Vortex DAW Aviation. Unveiled at the Paris Air Show, Vortex is a reusable orbital spaceplane developed by Vortex DAW Aviation, backed by the French Ministry of Defense and the European Space Agency, ESA. Key features: launched atop a rocket, operates in low Earth orbit, lands on a runway like a conventional aircraft. Mission capabilities: satellite servicing, cargo delivery, space station resupply, orbital debris removal. Development roadmap: starts with scale models, aims for a full-sized crewed version by the 2040s. Funded under France's Defense Ministry and ESA's Explore 2040 initiative. Goal: to establish Europe's sovereign, cost-effective, and flexible access to space. Starport Mars, gateway to interplanetary civilization. Starport Mars is a visionary vertical spaceport concept designed to support the future of interplanetary travel and colonization. This structure combines a top-mounted docking port, a ground-based research facility, and subterranean living habitats, forming a fully integrated hub for human life on Mars. Key features include a docking port at the summit to accommodate incoming and outgoing spacecraft, space elevators to transport passengers and cargo between orbit, the surface, and underground habitats, subterranean living units designed for safety, comfort, and sustainability in the harsh Martian environment. As Mars undergoes terraforming, Starport will serve as the foundation for new cities and villages, supporting frequent space travel and long-term human settlement. Scalable and modular, the tower's self-sustaining ecosystem can be replicated and linked into a network. Cutting-edge technologies like 3D printing, nuclear fusion, and space farming will power the colonization effort, making Starport Mars a critical node in humanity's journey beyond Earth. Celeste by Zafalto is a French-designed luxury stratospheric capsule that offers passengers a serene, eco-friendly journey to the edge of space. Created by architect Joseph Durand in partnership with Zafalto's founder, Vincent Farret d'Astiès, the capsule is lifted by a low-carbon balloon to about 25 kilometers, 15.5 miles above Earth. The 6-hour trip includes 1.5 hours ascending, 3 hours floating with breathtaking views, and 1.5 hours descending. Inside, Celeste is designed like a high-end lounge rather than a spacecraft. The 215-square-foot cabin features soft curves, plush seating, neutral tones, and expansive panoramic windows, the largest on the market, allowing nearly uninterrupted views of Earth's curvature and the stars beyond. The capsule also slowly rotates to give passengers a full 360-degree perspective. A highlight of the journey is Michelin-starred dining and wine pairings, curated by top French chefs and sommeliers, making the experience as much about gastronomy as exploration. With an estimated carbon footprint comparable to producing a pair of jeans, it offers a sustainable alternative to rocket tourism. Backed by CNES and certified to commercial aviation standards, Zafalto plans its first passenger flights in late 2024, with tickets priced around $120,000, $130,000 per person. Sierra Nevada Dream Chaser, reusable spaceplane for LEO missions. The Dream Chaser is a revolutionary reusable spaceplane developed by Sierra Nevada Corporation, SNC, designed for both cargo and crew transport to low Earth orbit LEO destinations like the International Space Station ISS. Key capabilities: lifting body design for efficient atmospheric flight and runway landings. 2 variants: cargo variant under NASA's Commercial Resupply Services 2 (CRS-2) contract, crewed variant capable of transporting up to 7 astronauts. NASA partnership: the cargo version is contracted to perform at least 7 missions to the ISS, will deliver critical supplies and return valuable experiments and cargo. Distinct advantages: runway landing capability enables gentle returns, ideal for sensitive cargo and crew. High reusability reduces costs over multiple missions. Compatible with multiple launch vehicles, increasing flexibility. Mission scope: suited for a variety of LEO operations, including space station resupply, human spaceflight, and potentially commercial and defense applications. The Dream Chaser stands as a major step toward more accessible, flexible, and cost-effective space transportation, bridging the gap between traditional capsules and aircraft-like spacecraft. EOSX Space, luxury stratospheric tourism. Overview: EOSX Space is a pioneering space exploration company set to begin stratospheric tourist flights in 2025, offering a near-space experience without rockets. Technology and flight experience: passengers ride in pressurized capsules lifted by eco-friendly helium balloons. Altitude reaches 40,000 meters, 131,234 feet. Entering the stratosphere provides panoramic views of Earth's curvature and space. Flight details: duration 5 hours, locations, launch sites in Seville, Spain, and Abu Dhabi. Price: €150,000, $200,000 per passenger. Amenities onboard: ergonomic luxury seating, wide panoramic windows, onboard bar, restroom facilities designed for comfort, exclusivity, and safety. Innovation and accessibility: a greener, lower-impact alternative to traditional rocket tourism, like Blue Origin or Virgin Galactic, makes space travel dreams more attainable for the ultra-luxury market. SpaceX Heavy Moon Base, humanity's next giant leap. Imagine a future where humans don't just visit the moon, they live there. The SpaceX Heavy Moon Base concept envisions a sustainable lunar settlement, made possible by the immense payload capacity of the SpaceX Heavy rocket. This ambitious project aims to transport essential infrastructure and materials to the moon, laying the foundation for a permanent human presence. The base would become a hub for scientific research, exploration, and resource development, propelling humanity further into the space frontier. Tash Vision highlights: powered by SpaceX Heavy, delivering cargo, habitats, and systems to support lunar life. Scientific and industrial hub, supporting research, lunar mining, and technological innovation. Space tourism potential, opening the moon to adventurous travelers and visionaries. Self-sustaining design, built to thrive in the harsh lunar environment. This initiative is more than science fiction. It's the next chapter in human spaceflight history. From lunar mining to building a new world beyond Earth, SpaceX is inviting humanity to take part in an extraordinary adventure and to help shape life beyond our home planet.